You came very close this time. When the Necron tear shed flesh and left death for lesser creatures, we thought only of freedom from fear and making kingdoms that would never die. We did not think of what else immortality would entail. We thought in terms of wars, of destruction, of conquest. But eternity also requires what you would call entertainment. For my part, I find infinity allows me to observe the myriad ways in which matter and consciousness manifest. I collect them. Objects, life forms, moments. This is one of my favorites. A device that can create roads under the skin of reality, worth risking anything for, but nothing compared to what it has brought me. This moment is locked in a tesseract labyrinth, a pocket of space where events play out again and again. Sometimes you reach this moment first, sometimes others do. Each instance is different in countless beautiful details. You will free us! You can free yourselves. All you need to do to leave the labyrinth is never enter. You are given that choice each time. I am not your jailer, my wonderful relic of mortal pride. You are your own prisoner. The look on your faces is my favorite part, and I have enjoyed it 1,000 times already.